Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Serikbayev Syrym, and today our broadcast is dedicated to AI philosophy. The philosophy of artificial intelligence is a branch of philosophy of technology that explores artificial intelligence and its implications for knowledge and understanding of intelligence, ethics, consequence, epistemology, and free will. Furthermore, the technology is concerned with the creation of artificial animals or artificial people, or at least artificial creatures. So the discipline is considerable interest to philosophers. These factors contributed to emergence of the philosophy of artificial intelligence. Some scholars argue that the AI community's dismissal of philosophy is detrimental. The philosophy of artificial intelligence attempts to answer such questions as follows. Can a machine act intelligently? Can it solve any problem that a person would solve by thinking? Are human intelligence and machine intelligence the same? Is the human brain essentially a computer? Can a machine have a mind, mental states, and conscience in the same sense that a human being can? Can it feel how things are? Questions like this reflect the divergent interests of AI researchers, cognitive scientists, and philosophers respectively. The scientific answers to these questions depend on the definition of intelligence and consequence and exactly which machines are under discussion. Important propositions in the philosophy of AI include some of the following. Turing's polite convention. If a machine behaves as intelligently as a human being, then it is as intelligent as a human being. The Dartmouth proposal. Every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. Alan Newell and Herbert Simon's physical symbol system hypothesis. A physical system has the necessary and sufficient means of general intelligent action. John Searle's strong AI hypothesis. The appropriately programmed computer with the right inputs and outputs would thereby have a mind in exactly the same sense human beings have minds. Hobbes' mechanism. For reason is nothing but reckoning, that is adding and subtracting of consequence of general names agreed upon for making and signifying of our thoughts. And now our broadcast is over. Please subscribe to this channel. That was your host, Serikbayev Syrym. Goodbye.